G'day, my name is Ian Castle, your Aussie vocal coach, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find your singing voice. To some people, singing comes naturally, but for others it can be a challenge because it can be confronting sharing your voice, especially when the instrument is a part of you. So in this singing journey, I want you to be open and willing to make some mistakes and maybe some interesting sounds. But more importantly, enjoy finding your voice. The first thing that I want you to remember is that singing, it's an extension of speech. It's not like we have a set of vocal cords for talking and then another set for singing. The sound, it comes from the same place. So if you can talk, you can sing. The difference between talking and singing is how you sustain your vocal tone. Let's start with something familiar, humming. When you hum, you are sustaining your vocal tone. Your air is continually flowing through your vocal cords, and that is what singing at its most basic level is, the interaction between your air and your cords. Practice a few hums with me in a comfortable speaking range. The next step in finding your singing voice is to graduate from humming to opening your mouth without your air and tone stopping. The R vowel is a good one to use for this. Watch me demonstrate. Ah. Ah. At this point, don't worry about sounding good or trying to control the sound. Just get used to the sensation of a sustained open tone. Feel free to pause the video now to practice going from the hum to a sustained vowel. Okay, let's try and sustain vocal tone on a single pitch or note rather than sliding. We'll start with the hum first. Here's the difference. Sliding. Now sustaining on a single note. Okay, now I'll hold the hum and open up into the R vowel on a single pitch. The focus of this exercise is to give your tone a forward direction. It's handy to pick a spot on the wall and imagine your tone and air traveling to the wall, forming a connection between your mouth and the focus point. Finally, let's remove the hum and vocalize a ma sound instead. Use the focusing trick to give your tone some direction and strength. I'll demonstrate it for you on a couple of different notes. Ma, ma. Now a little higher. Ma. Again. Ma. And now lower. Ma, ma. Experiment with sustaining your tone on different notes in your range. Again, don't worry about sounding good, as we will work on improving vocal tone in another video. The most important thing to take out of this lesson is developing a sustained tone that has direction. In part 2, we will work on moving your sustained tone, also known as your singing voice, over different notes. If you have any questions, post them below and make sure that you like and subscribe. I'm Ian Castle. Bye for now.